What is up, guys? Game Master here with another Roblox video. Ha! Like I said, guys, I'm here with another Roblox. I'm here with my boy with my boy Levi. You guys can't see Levi. I got him on the phone right here. You can't see him. Oh god, I got arrested. Oh, he's for no reason. I don't know. He's being weird. For no reason. This would be part one, guys. This would be part one. For part two, go check out my boy's video for part two.
You can get 30 euros for $90. But for those who aren't trying to cater a Greek family reunion, they're 2%. Arby's, we have the meat for sandwiches.
Ooh, we got a chopper over here. This guy is still chasing me. No. This guy's trying to arrest me for no reason. There's straight two cops trying to arrest me for no reason. Exactly. No, I had a key card and a shotgun. This guy's trying to arrest me, so I'm gonna get out of this. So I'm just gonna get out of here. Guys, if you haven't seen my vlog videos, I'll put that in the description I've been recording. If you haven't checked out my friend Levi's video, go check him out. I'm going into the story right now. I'm in the story right now, so I'm going through right now. It's not for me, but it is for you. I'm out of there. I'm out. I went through the sewer. More than 250,000 satisfied earners who got a Smile they love for only $80 a month at SmileDirectClub.com. Hold on a second, guys. I need to pull this back. Hold on. Oh, guys, I need to get my charger. Hold on. I'm about to get arrested. I'm about to get arrested by this chick. Oh, I got arrested, guys. I got arrested. I will be posting this video on my channel. Go check my channel out. Show me some respect. Give me some love. Show me some love, please. Show me some love and respect. Guys, if I hit 1 million subscribers, I'm gonna try to go for 100 subscribers. If I reach that, I'll do
a live gaming. I'll do a live gameplay. Oh, why are you glitching? I'm not glitching at all. I'm good. I've been recording for 5 minutes. I'm keeping track as well. I got a few minutes left. I'll probably end it at 10. I'll end mine at 10 minutes. So guys, I'll end mine at 10 minutes. So stay. I just if I get a check for a gun. Yeah. No, she's dead. I got her key. I got a key card. I got a key card. I'm shooting helicopters down. I got 4 minutes left, guys, until I end the video. I'm ending at 10. I got 3 minutes. I'm ending at 10 minutes, guys.
I see another one on that side. I see this 49 Plymouth. What are you thinking on these bumpers? $1 each. 175. Well, base. You wanted 300. Yeah. But this is missing the bumper guard. You may all lay off. Or the 60s. Yep. Yeah. 2 1/4. That work? Yeah. Alright. Here you go, Kenny.
I'm getting shot at by like a ninja cop.
Alright, now that's a pretty guitar.
Yeah.
So, what do you think on price for this guy?
I got a nickel.
Alright, 2 more minutes. I'm at the 8-minute mark. I got 2 minutes before I end the video.
Is it Southern Rock? Now I want to learn it.
I've been ending at the 10-minute mark, guys. If you want to see part 2, go check out my boy's channel. I'll leave that in the link. I will leave that in the description below. You can check out part 2. I'm at the 9-minute mark, guys. I got 1 minute left. I'm trying to escape this ninja cop. He looks like a ninja out here. This cop out here is like a ninja. There's a ninja cop out here. My time's almost up, guys. So anyway, if you liked the video, guys, so subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave part 2. My boy, this is Game Master. Signing out.